Time is not encountered the way clocks describe it. Physics, biology, and systems theory all show time behaving differently depending on scale, motion, metabolism, and observation. Yet, modern life teaches one dominant story of time as straight, external, and scarce. Sacred science does not deny measurement. It reveals where measurement replaced reality. And so, here are 7 illusions embedded across science and culture that treat time as linear and fixed. One absolute time flow. Classical mechanics modeled time as universal and constant. Relativity later demonstrated that time varies with velocity and gravity. But culture retained the older simplification. 2 clock equals time clocks measure periodic oscillations, not lived duration. Biological and psychological time expand or compress with metabolic state, attention, and nervous system load. 3. Past is gone. Thermodynamics shows irreversibility through entropy increase, not temporal erasure. Past events no longer exist in time, yet their effects persist as present structure, memory, and constraint. For future does not exist. Physics represents future states as probability distributions rather than fixed outcomes. Systems continuously shape possible futures through present conditions and feedback loops. 5. Time moves forward. Directionality arises from entropy increase, not from time itself moving. Time's arrow reflects energy dispersion, not a conveyor belt pushing events along. 6. All moments. Equal relativity shows simultaneity depends on reference frames. What counts as now differs across observers, dissolving a single shared present. 7. Humans are late. Calendars impose linear benchmarks onto non-linear development. Learning, healing, and integration unfold through adaptive cycles, not uniform timelines. And so we realize time was never a straight line. Measurements simplified coordination, not truth. Systems evolved through states, not schedules. Pressure emerged from misinterpretation. So we ask ourselves, where do I feel time speeding or slowing? What rhythms govern my body and focus? Which timelines were inherited, not natural? Can I live in process instead of deadline? Time does not rush you. Reality unfolds through conditions. Presence restores temporal depth, and you are the sacred intelligence moving within time, not behind it.